Hello and welcome to the Stars of Physics. How are you? I hope that all of you are doing well. In this video, we shall see resistance in parallel. Resistances in parallel. Now the detailed video of resistances in parallel I had made. I will put its link in description. So it says that if we have say n number of resistors connected in parallel like this. So this is say R1, this is R2 and this is Rn. So they are connected in parallel like this. Then their equivalent resistance is given by 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus so on plus 1 upon Rn. Now if we have only two resistors in parallel, say like this. This is R1 and this is R2. Then what will happen? This 1 upon Rp, this same formula, it will be only for two resistors. So it will be 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Now I have these 2.2 kilo ohm resistors in parallel. So the value of this resistance is 2.2 kilo ohm and value of this resistance is again 2.2 kilo ohm. Okay. Now what I had done is I had connected them in parallel, but before to measure the similar resistances, we will consider one similar resistance so that we can measure its value separately, because in parallel combination we cannot measure it directly. So you can see that this is a digital multimeter. Now how to use a digital multimeter, I had made a separate video. You can see its link in the description and on the I button also. So you can see that the experimental value of this R1 is 2.17 kilo ohm. Okay, now R2 is of similar value, so it will be 2.17 kilo ohm only. Now we cannot measure, actually we have to break the circuit if you want to measure it. So if you want to measure these Rp values here, then what it will be? It will be 1 upon Rp. Now I will do it a theoretical calculation. So it will be 1 upon 2.2 kilo ohm plus 1 upon 2.2 kilo ohm. So this comes out to be equal to 2 upon 2.2 kilo ohm. Now if you want to find out the Rp value, we have to take reciprocal on both sides. So we get Rp is equal to 2.2 kilo ohm divided by 2. So this implies the value of Rp is 1.1 kilo ohm. Now we will measure this Rp value here by using this experimental data here. So here we can see that I had connected them in parallel. So now you can see in the digital multimeter we are getting this Rp value as 1.09 kilo ohm, which is very near to the theoretical value. It is now 1.08. It is slightly fluctuating. It is 1.08 kilo ohm. You can see it in the digital multimeter. Now instead of two resistances, if we have three resistances in parallel, then what will happen? The equivalent circuit for three resistances will be like this. This is our R1, this is our R2 and this is our R3. Now in the similar way I had shown the formula for that n number of resistances here. This formula 1 upon Rp is what? 1 upon R2, R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus so on plus 1 upon Rn. So for three resistances we can write down this as 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Now here we have all the three resistances of 1 kilo ohm. That means what? This is 1 kilo ohm, this is also 1 kilo ohm, and this is also 1 kilo ohm. Then if I put these values here, what we get is 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon 1 kilo ohm plus 1 upon 1 kilo ohm plus 1 upon 1 kilo ohm. So therefore 1 upon Rp is equal to 3 divided by 1 kilo ohm. Now if you want to find out the value of Rp, we have to take reciprocal on both sides. So we get Rp is equal to 1 kilo ohm divided by 3. So therefore Rp comes out to be equal to, now if you divide this 1 by 3, you know that it will be 0.3333, so on. Okay, so many 3's will be there. Okay, so we will write down 3 times 3 only. Okay, this much kilo ohm will be the value of this resistance by theoretical thing. Now what I had done is I had connected these on the tag board here. Now you can see that this one of this resistance, the value of this resistance R1 here, by doing this experimental part, R1 comes out to be equal to, you can see in the digital multimeter, it is 0.97 kilo ohm. Now similarly we have R2 and R3 are of same value. So R2 is also of 0.97 kilo ohm and R3 is also of what? 0.97 kilo ohm approximately, I am saying. Now if we connect them in the parallel like this, then what will happen? What will be the equivalent resistance in the experimental part, we will see. So this is the parallel combination. I had connected them in parallel on the tag board. Now you can see that we are getting this Rp in the experimental part. You can see we are getting it as 0.33 kilo ohm. You can see it in the digital multimeter. You can see it in the digital multimeter. We are getting it as 0.33 kilo ohm. So I hope that you understand this. I will give one homework to you. Say if there are 4 resistances of different values, R1, R2, R3 and R4, of different values, you can take that R1 is 1 kilo ohm, say you can take, R2 you can take it as 2 kilo ohm, R3 is equal to 3 kilo ohm and R4 is equal to 4 kilo ohm. Find out its equivalent resistance and tell me answer in the comment section. If you have any difficulties, you can ask me in the comment section. I hope that you understand all of these things. Okay, do comment, share, like and subscribe our channel if you find it useful. Thank you very much.